Over the wicket to the right-hander as well. Straight down the leg side. There is an appeal and up goes the finger. Marufa Akhtar has struck. Shefali Verma shakes her head in disbelief. Phenom they unearthed in recent years, who will open the attack from the media box end against left-hander Smriti Mandhana.
Smriti Mandhana tries to pull it. Short pitch delivery. Marufa Akhtar did well in the last match. She didn't complete a full quarter of 4 overs. Ended up getting 2 wickets in the last over. And at one stage where India looked as if they would walk away with a total of 100 to 170 to 180 runs, but for the two spinners, Rabia Khan and Fahima Khatun, both in tandem to restrict India to below 150. Now we have a match on our hands. 120 apparently doesn't look too big, but I'm sure Marufa Akhtar and company will make life a little difficult for the Indians.
Over the wicket to the left-hander. Over the wicket to the right-hander as well. Straight down the leg side. There is an appeal and up goes the finger. Marufa Akhtar has struck. Shefali Verma shakes her head in disbelief. The Bangladesh contingent are rejoicing. This early wicket they have gotten thanks to Marufa Akhtar.
It would be interesting to see. There we see the replay. Shefali Verma tried to guide it down the leg side. Whether it got the bat or the pad, one would have to wait and see. But it's Shefali Verma who's walking back.
Verma departs for a duck. Was there a fine tickle to that leg glance that the right-hander tried to play? Because the decision came out very quick from Shathira Jakir Jesse, the on-field umpire. And there seems to be a promotion for Dayalan Hemalatha to number 3, who came in for the injured Yastika Bhatia, who we were told is carrying a bit of a niggle. She picked up in the first T20I. So India persisting with the left-hand, right-hand combination. Marufa Akhtar will continue to bowl from over the wicket to the right-hander. It'd be interesting to see that replay in slow motion of that Shefali Verma dismissal.
Marufa Akhtar again deep goes down the leg side for a wide. She needs to control her deliveries, needs to be on line, needs to bowl on target. 120 is not a big target to defend, but it has to be some disciplined bowling.
Hemalatha is playing her first T20I in nearly 19 months. Debuted in 2018. Has been deemed a longer formats player for the most part of her career, but showcased great hitting skills in the WPL recently. Driven towards the fielder at cover. Hemalatha has worked extensively on her range hitting ever since she was dropped from the Indian side. Her last match for India in the T20I format was very much in Sylhet during the 2022 Women's Asia Cup, which India won. She was part of that title-winning squad of India's.
Marufa Akhtar, that came in sharply. That was a beautiful delivery. Working on the seam, perhaps making good use of the whatever moisture that you may have on the pitch. Marufa Akhtar giving a bit of a thing to think about. There you go. A beautiful delivery that cut back and cut the batter in half.
That swung in prodigiously after pitching on the 6th stump. Wasn't able to read that inward movement. Dayalan Hemalatha. She's still on a duck. Doesn't get off the mark yet. A bit of play and a miss going on here on the part of D. Hemalatha after that dismissal of Shefali Verma's.
there has to be a bit of a moisture in the wicket, and we can see the bowler making good use of the whatever moisture that is. Prodigious, as you rightly said, prodigious movement that she's being able to extract out of this wicket. Very controlled, a very intent looking Marufa Akhtar.
Fuller outside the off stump again, driven to the fielder at mid-off without a run being conceded. After the first over, Bangladesh have the wicket of Shefali Verma for just 2 runs having been conceded. That looked like a not out from the outset. The contentious call, which might be put to rest with some replays, was that of...
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.